At least 3 police officials and 12 others have been relieved from their post over alleged violations in serving the arrest warrant against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Mobile journalist Julie Baisa with details.
Several officials of the PNP involved in the raid on the properties of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy in Davao City last Monday have been removed from their positions. Included in the relief order by PNP Chief General Romel Marbil are the Directorate for Operations Chief Brigadier General Ronald Oliver Lee, Intelligence Group Chief Colonel Edwin Portento, and the Regional Director of Police Regional Office 11 in Davao, Brigadier General Aligre Martinez. This is to allow the investigation to determine if there were any violations of the standard operating procedure and the issuance of the search and arrest warrants for several properties of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ last Monday.
The Directorate for Operation was involved, I understand, during the planning and deployment po ng troops. Siya po ang naggiya po pagdating po sa sino-sino pong mga PNP units po ang i-deploy. Sa ibang mga senior officers po na relieved, they were administratively relieved to give way po sa ang gagawin po nating investigasyon kung nagkaroon nga ba ng lapses, nagkaroon nga ba ng pagmamalabis, nagkaroon nga ba ng negligence of supervision.
In addition to the 3, 12 other officials and personnel from the CIDG, PNP Special Action Force, and Davao City Traffic Enforcement Unit have also been removed from their positions.
Maaari pa pong masundan po ito dahil sa ngayon po ay inaalam pa po at iniimbestigahan nga sino-sino po ba ang nagkaroon po ng participation doon po sa service of warrant. Again, uulitin po natin upang ito ay magbigay daan sa gagawin pong evaluation, assessment at investigation para nga po malaman kung nagkaroon nga ba ng pagkukulang, nagkaroon nga ba ng violation pagdating po sa enforcement.
According to the administrator of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, former President Rodrigo Duterte, besides the arrest warrant, the police did not present a separate search warrant. Duterte added that this was a violation of the law, overkill, and someone must be held accountable. However, according to PNP Chief Marbil, their operation is legitimate because Kibuloy is a fugitive and influential person. That is why they deployed more personnel.
Hindi naman ho kami natatakot because this is a legal order. Hindi naman po illegal ang ginagawa namin eh. Ito naman po yung ginagawa namin sa lahat ng mga taong fugitive of the law. Just respect our law. Huwag po nating ipagtakpan po yung mga taong nagkakamali. Kung tama siya, then sumakap po siya sa korte.
Senator Robin Padilla meanwhile plans to investigate the raid on Kibuloy's properties. He suspects that the police may have violated human rights. But the PNP claims they won't be affected as they continue their manhunt for the pastor. The PNP has also filed charges against the 6 supporters of Kibuloy who threw water bombs at the police. Mobile journalist Julie Baisa, We Are One News.